Hello, GHL agency user. Introducing contacts for workflows from the Level Up Marketplace. Looking to streamline your workflows? With contacts for workflows, you can easily manage contacts, automate tasks, and improve team collaboration all in one place. Whether you're organizing client info, setting reminders, or integrating with other tools, this app simplifies it all. With these powerful actions, you can save time, boost efficiency, and stay organized. Perfect for businesses looking to optimize their workflows and improve productivity. We are Go High Level's only award-winning developer partner. Stop wasting money on expensive apps like Zapier, Make, Pabbly, and N8N. We provide you with more opportunities to generate revenue by rebilling our apps to your clients. Save time with custom-made workflow solutions and push your apps to all current and future sub-accounts, making it perfect for SaaS. 100% white label support and training documentation for sub-accounts. Install the app now and join all the agencies transforming their businesses with the Level Up Marketplace.